Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing this morning? I am doing fantastic because it turns out that when Katie went to that bridal show here in Garden City, she actually won something. I guess for the first time for everything.
Yeah.
But we are going to Garden to spend the day down there and to pick up her prize. I guess she won multiple things. So I want to thank y'all for yesterday. You guys did an outstanding job. Let's go and get 20 likes today. That'd really make my day if you guys could smash the thumbs up button every chance you got. And we got a bunch of comments yesterday. I think we got like 10 comments, I believe, yesterday. So you guys are doing an outstanding job on that. So we made it to Garden City. I had an appointment first thing this morning, so now we just got done with Target. We went in there and did a little wedding shopping, try to get some decorations and stuff. I think we're gonna be ready for the wedding long before the date. So that's a good thing, because you never want to be last minute shopping for your wedding. So if any of y'all are thinking about getting married out there, make sure you guys are ready to go. You're ready to go. And make sure you ask the parents. You always want the parents' blessing. I did. And he said, well, it's about dang time.
They were calling you son-in-law way before anyways.
Yeah, they sure were. But where are we going now?
JCPenney's.
Yeah, we're going to go to JCPenney's and walk around there. Because at 3 o'clock, we have to go pick up Katie's prizes.
Our prizes?
Yeah, our prizes, excuse me. Okay, so the interesting thing happened. We went to go pick up the things that Katie won. So we actually ended up getting this really nice pots and pans set. It's made here in Kansas. Whenever it gets shipped to us, I'll do a whole unboxing for you guys. We got the crystal champagne glasses, which was pretty cool, and we also got our honeymoon paid for. We won a 5-day 4-night cruise, so that's a big old chunk of change right there. I don't know if you ever looked at cruise costs, but they aren't really cheap. So and it's all, the only thing we have to pay for on that cruise is the taxes on it. So all the food's included, all that good old stuff's included. So and also I apologize for not doing really any outside vlogging today. Winds were pretty bad out here in Kansas. I think the highest wind gust Garden City got was about 70 miles an hour. And I don't know if you've been watching the news, but we got a couple of wildfires in the northern and central part of Kansas. So I know that Highway Patrol was blocking traffic so the ranchers can get their cattle out of there, because they actually had to close down part of I-70 because there was zero visibility because of all the smoke. So if you guys could, make sure you keep all those people in your prayers tonight. I know they'd really appreciate it. I don't know how controlled the fire is, or how much is burned. I'm going to try to look it up tomorrow and see. And I'll let you guys know. But hopefully it gets under control fairly quick. Because I know last year I think it was last year, we had a pretty bad wildfire up here. That was northern Kansas also that we had it. But it was a great day today. I apologize, this video's shorter than normal. Like I said, the wind was just throwing me all over the road, so I couldn't really vlog when I was driving, because there were semis that were just going slow. It was insane today. Dust blowing everywhere. I mean, I lost my hat at some point, but luckily I found it, so it's always a good thing. The wedding planning, the planning for the wedding is coming along great. We have almost everything planned. I know we got a couple things left. I know we got the caterer planned out or picked, but we just need to figure out what all we're going to eat. So, she wanted barbecue, so I guess that's what we're going to have. Because this is her day, it's all about her. Just like every wedding should be. It's all about what the woman wants. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm sorry that there wasn't more in it. Let's go ahead and get 20 likes on this. Make sure when you guys watch it, go ahead and share it so we can get more people in, so they can check out what all our country has to offer. Oh, and never mind. I had a brain fart there. But yeah, if this is your first time ever checking out the vlog, go ahead and smash that thumbs up, the subscribe button, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Remember, life's an adventure, so keep on living it.